Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Toyota Corolla with cardboard. First, gather your materials: large cardboard sheets, a sharp utility knife, and a reliable adhesive. Next, find detailed blueprints or multiple reference images of a Toyota Corolla. Carefully measure and sketch the main body components, like the chassis and side panels, onto your cardboard. This initial planning ensures accuracy and a smooth building process. Now let's build the foundation. Begin by cutting out the main chassis piece, which will be the base of your Corolla. Then, design and cut several internal support beams. These beams are crucial for giving your cardboard car structural integrity and preventing it from collapsing. Use a strong adhesive to firmly attach these support beams to the chassis, ensuring a robust and stable base. With the chassis ready, it's time to add the exterior. Cut out the side panels, hood, roof, and trunk sections, paying close attention to their dimensions. Gently bend and shape the cardboard pieces to mimic the smooth curves and contours of a real Toyota Corolla. Once shaped, carefully attach all these exterior panels to your existing chassis and frame, creating the recognizable car body. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Cut and attach smaller details such as windows, wheels, and headlights to bring your Corolla to life. You can use paint or markers to color your cardboard car, adding realistic shades and accents. Before you're done, inspect your creation and reinforce any weak points with extra cardboard or tape for added durability. Enjoy your handmade Toyota Corolla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.